Iya.
Hello,
Oh,
can you hear me?
iya,
Okay, okay. Okay, with the okay, let's start. Okay, so hi Bara, I'm Emma. Uh, let
oh,
me. I'm Emma. Yeah, you can call me Emma. So I will be your tutor for this Python Pro. So yeah, um, now I live in Semarang. Nice to meet you. Can you introduce yourself? How old are you? Where do you live? Like
my
which
name is
province?
my name is Wara. I'm 16 and I live in Makassar, Sulawesi.
Oh, okay. Oh, okay, okay. So, 16, 11 or 12th grade? 11.
10th grade.
Oh, 10? Okay, okay. So, is there any reason why you want to learn coding?
Uh, yes, to like broaden my skills. Yes,
Oh, okay. So, have you learned coding before?
only a little bit. Like only
Oh,
the very basic, very basic,
oh, which language?
like HTML.
Oh, HTML. Oh, okay, okay. Mm, do you plan to take IT major in the future, or this is just to enhance your skill or enhance your logic?
Yes,
Oh, okay. So you plan to study IT in the future?
yes. If there's no other option for me, yes.
Oh, okay. What is other option? Why there is no other option? What is your other option?
Because my main passion is history, but if it I guess I also want to learn IT, so because yeah,
Oh, your main passion is history?
yes,
Oh, I see, I see. So you prefer social than science?
yes, I guess so, yes.
Ah, okay, okay. Yeah, never mind. Okay. Okay, let's start. Yeah, wait a moment. Yeah, if you want like also still learn history and also IT or maybe other maybe you can consider to study abroad. Yeah, some university they allow you to get a double major so you can learn your history and also other courses. So it's like a double, so you're able to take yeah, history classes and also other classes. Yeah. Maybe you can consider that in the future.
Okay, okay.
Okay. Oh, but before we start here, do you have any hobbies?
The basic ones like gaming and like uh, learning history. That's it.
Ah, okay. And what is your favorite and least favorite subject?
I guess my most favorite is English,
History? Oh, English, okay.
and then my least favorite is math.
Oh, okay. So yeah. Um, so the so here in IT, actually, we mostly learn about logic and also math, a little bit of math. So yeah,
Yes,
you should not hate math if you later in the future if you want to work in IT fields. Okay.
yes.
Okay, let's start. So yeah, we'll learn Python. So yeah, why we learn Python? So Python currently become the most widely used programming language in the world. The reason is because it's easy. Okay, it's extremely easy compared to other language. So other programming language, mm, like Actually, the logic almost the same, but the difference is Python use more English language than other programming language. That's why Python is easier because yeah, you can just read and then translate it into your own language. Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. So Python also used by many companies. Is there any companies that you know here?
Yes, all of them.
All of them?
No, no, all the ones in the presentation.
What is that? YouTube?
Yes, and IBM and Intel and eBay
Oh,
and Google.
okay. Okay, that's good. Yeah, uh Intel is for processor. eBay is like Shopee or Tokopedia. Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. And also, you also can use Python to program as a game, but yeah, not that complicated because yeah. But yeah, you can do something like this. And yeah, also this one, it's also use Python to program like smart home device or robotics.
Mm.
Okay, yeah, this is for the paying salary for programmer in, of course, not in Indonesia. Do you plan to live in Indonesia or abroad?
Indonesia.
Oh, okay. Okay, yeah. So Python can be used to automate a routine process. So there are many jobs that can replace by the program, and also we can do a report generation and also handling or analyze data, also big calculation. So yeah, we can use Python. So today we will learn three things, such as what is algorithm, what is programming language, and what is program. Algorithm is like sequence to achieve a goal. Okay, so you don't have to code in order to get algorithm. Algorithm is in everyday life. For example, what do you do before you go to school? Can you tell me what do you do before you go to school?
Like preparations.
Yeah, wake up, take a shower, preparing, or maybe eat breakfast, and then yeah, prepare to go to school, right?
Yeah.
All those steps is algorithm. We call as one algorithm. So it's your own way, your own preparation to go to school. If you ask other people, they may have different way to go to school. Maybe they don't take a shower, or maybe they don't take a breakfast. They don't eat a breakfast. So all of people has their own algorithm. Okay. Okay, and what is the good algorithm? Okay, the good algorithm is all the necessary operation should be included in the algorithm. So all steps that we need to do in order to achieve the goal should be included in the algorithm because because the executor never take initiative and does only what it was told. So the executor is inside our laptop or yeah, inside our computer, they never take initiative. So if you don't mention it, they will not put something for you. And then the operations are arranged in the correct order. So we read the code from the top until the bottom, and then operation must not be unambiguous. So they cannot guess, so you have to mention if you want them to do a multiplication, then you put multiplication operator. Don't put other operator. So you have to be precise. In space, comma, and so on. So yeah. Here we have like many commands, and then yeah. Okay, so here, all comments are written in the same language understandable for the computer. So why we use a programming language? So computer will recognize and able to execute. And then the command should be separate from each other. So in Python, we should type um, tidy. So if it should be if there is should be a space, then you have to put a space. If it should have one tab, then you should press tab. And then yeah. What about programming language? Programming language is language to communicate with the computer. Like it's similar like us. We have like English, Indonesia, and so on. So that is our language to communicate to other people. So in here we need programming language to communicate with the computer. How about program? Program is the result. Okay. Algorithm is a step. Programming language is language to communicate with the computer, and a program is the result of that. So when you write your algorithm using programming language, that is called program. What is example of program? It could be a chunks of code, or it could be a website, mobile apps. What else? Even even on your electronics, for example, AC, air conditioner. Sometimes we have air conditioner that able to adjust their temperature when someone goes in or enter the room. Or even sometimes we have a smart lamp that able to detect if someone there, they will turn on the lamp. Otherwise, they will turn off the lamp. Or even a CCTV that able to detect people around them. So that is program. Anything that has logic and programming language. Okay. And then there is a rules of Python. Okay. So the first rule is the start rule. So the program should be written at the very beginning of the line. And then the rule of order. So the commands execute in order from the top to the bottom. And then rule of code design. So you should not change lowercase and uppercase. So Python is case sensitive. Lowercase and uppercase are totally different. And random character or space and comma can make the program error. So if you don't really need those characters, just remove. We should not leave it there. Okay. Until this part, do you have any question?
No.
Okay. 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 So today we will if you don't have any question, let's start. So what you can do is, whenever I finish explain, you can share screen and then open the platform.
Great. Okay.
Uh, do you know the login?
Yes.
Yes, number 1. Okay, so we mark, there are more than one answer here. You choose which one, yeah, that can be used, Python can do. Which one? Can do programming game, can do a robot, can do internet application or website, can do a calculation, can also create websites. So everything. Okay. Checklist. Okay, good job. Next. So next is we press this one or we press the number 2. Okay, yeah. So you click and then you mix and you put it here. Which one is the answer?
No.
Yeah, you try first. Yes. Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Okay, good job. Next. Yeah, or you click next and then next. Okay, so we'll do typing. Yeah, please type. Can you? Yeah, you don't have to put your cursor, just type. Algorithm.
I cannot type it.
Oh, you cannot?
Mm.
Or you press this one and press A. Can you?
And it
What
comes.
do you use? You use laptop, right?
Yes.
Oh. Or maybe you can refresh and then type. Okay. Okay, can you type now? Or you
Oh,
close this one first? Yeah, type.
which one?
Yeah, just type. Just press ALG. Can you?
It's not working.
Cannot? Wait, yeah, let me check. What browser that you use? Is it Google Chrome?
It's Firefox.
Oh, can you change maybe Google Chrome?
Okay.
Okay.
I only have Edge and Microsoft Edge.
Oh, you only have Microsoft Edge? Yeah, maybe try Microsoft Edge. Usually there is a cursor here. Yeah, can you use Microsoft Edge?
So, so, okay.
Okay. Yeah, can you share screen?
Oh,
Just Microsoft.
is it working?
Hmm. Wait, let's see. Okay, yeah, start. Is it? Yeah, yeah. Oh, okay. So next time you just use this one. Yeah,
Yes. I got this.
yeah, enter. Okay, good job. Next. Ya, ayo kita mulai. Oke, next ya. Okay, good.
Let's see.
Ya, next. Print. Very good job. Next. Okay, what is the correct statement about algorithm? There are, let's see, how many answer we have? There are three answers.
So this,
Yes, yes, two left.
this,
Yes, one more.
this,
Yes, good. Okay, next.
and then write again.
Yeah, type again.
Yeah.
Okay, good. Next. Okay, so here we usually type our code. Okay, so here on the left side is our code, and then usually on the right side is the question. And yeah, the task is launch the written program and see what happened. So what you can do is you tick off, okay, and then submit. Okay, but then before you go to the next one, you click this purple first. And then yeah, do you see a tumble play? Yeah, button play, click. Yeah, you see what is the result?
It displays the
Yeah,
letter
you see the left side. So what is the purpose of print?
to uh, to print the
Y-
letters on the right side.
Yes, so print is use a Python function to display a text, okay? Okay, good
Yes.
job. Next, you go to the next task. Yeah. Yeah, mark the correct statement based on the previous code. There are three answers.
Print,
Yes,
print.
yes, one left. Yes, that's right. Okay, okay, good. Yeah, so far it's pretty easy, right?
Yes.
Okay, before we go to the next one, do you need to go to toilet or drink water first?
No, not really.
Not
No.
really? Okay. So we just continue first, yeah. Can you
Yes.
stop share? Let's continue to the next topic. Okay, wait, yeah, let me share screen. Okay, can you see my screen?
Yes.
Yeah. So many programmers. Oh, what is programmers? Yeah, programmers is the one who code. So we call as a programmer. Yeah, in the job name is also programmers. So yeah, whenever they start learning a new language, the first things they need to do is they will learn about print. Okay, let's go to the next one. Yeah, so we already learned how to print or display information to the computer screen. Okay, that print is called function. What is function? Function is algorithm that compose in a programming language and have unique name. So the function that we learned before is print. So that is a Python function. Okay. So for example, like this, print. If you print hello hackers, it will print like that. And then you also can do something like this. Okay, so why we use a single quote? Whenever we want to print a characters or a sentence, we usually use single quote. And for example, this one, my age 14, you can do like this. And if you only want to print a number, you also can. 1 and then 4, for example, or just 14 also can. Why there is a comma? So comma in Python is for concat. It will automatically give you a space. Okay.
Okay.
Until this part, do you have any question?
Could you repeat what you said
Which
about
one?
the comma? The comma.
Oh, comma, yeah. We use comma in Python to concat. Concat, menggabungkan.
No.
Yeah, this one. Concat. It's to concat a string or characters or uh concat number. So whenever you use comma, automatically, yeah, you will add a space. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, next. Okay, so using print, you also able to do a mathematic operation. For example, multiplication. In programming, we use asterisk. We don't use X, yeah. X here is alphabet, so we don't use X. We use asterisk. And then plus, minus, and then divide. Okay. For example, if you want to concat strings and number, you can do like this. Total. Whenever you want to create a sentence, we always start with this, yeah. Single quote. You also can use double quote. It's okay. So you do like this and then comma to concat. Yeah, it will be a space. And then 150 times 3. Yeah, it will give you 450. Until this part, do you have any question?
No.
Okay, next. Yeah, so we also have this in Python or in math. We call it as percent or percentage, right? But in programming, it's totally different. Okay, in programming, this percent is not percent. So this one we call as in programming we call as modulo. So whenever I told you modulo, it means this one.
Okay.
Okay. What is modulo? Is remainder of the division, or usually we call sisa hasil pembagian. So for example, 14 divided by 2 is 7. Okay. Is there any remainder? Apakah
No.
ada sisa? No, right? That's why it's 0. So next, for example, 5 modulo 2. Okay, 5 divided by 2 is,
4.5.
yeah, it's 2.5, right? So actually it's 2, and then remainder is 1, right? So, if I ask you 5 modulo 2, it will be 1. Okay. And then next, 15. Now my question is, 15 modulo 2 is,
7 remainder 1.
yeah, 15 divided by 2 is 7, remainder 1. So modulo is 5 modulo 2 is 1. Okay. Next. And then this one. This one is like double slash. We call as integer part of division. Why is it how it works? So 14 double slash 3 is 4. Because 3 times 4 is 12. Okay. And then what is other example? For example, 15 and then double slash 2, it will be 7. Why it's 7? Actually, it's just 15 divided by 2, and then we remove the remainder. So that is this one, okay? Now my question is, 8, and then this one. 8, what is the result?
It's 3.
No, it's not 3. Because 3 times 3 is 9, right? So it's less than 3. So what is
Still,
it?
still wrong.
So it's 2.
Yes.
Okay, so it's 2, yeah. Next. How about this one? Double asterisk exponent or power. So it's equals to 3 to the power of 3. So it's 27. Now my question is, what is the result of this? Wait, yeah. What is the result of this?
Four.
Yes, 4. Okay, understand, yeah. Okay. Okay, and also in programming, it's also same like math. Whenever you find a plus and multiplication, you have to prioritize multiplication. So this one, why it's 8? Because yeah, you times with 1, and then you plus with 1. And also similar like uh math, if you see bracket, this is round bracket, you have to prioritize the one inside the bracket. So 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 times 7 is 14. Yeah, so we call as a bracket or parenthesis. Until this part, do you have any question?
No.
Okay. Okay, let's start the exercise. If you don't have any question, can share screen again.
Mm.
Mm. Yeah, you go back. Yes, and then you go to the star. Yes. Okay. Mark the variance of code with no error. Which one that has no errors? Let's see. In total, there are how many? There are two answers. You guess. Yes. Yes, that's right. Answer. Okay, good job. Next. Typing.
Yes.
Yes, good job. Next. Okay, yeah. Here there is an error in the code. Can you fix? Mhm. Yes, continue. Yes, good. Yeah, try. Okay. Yes, okay. If it's already correct, you have to submit using this one. Okay, good job. Next, number 4. Yeah, so here there is an error you have to fix. Do you know what is the mistake? Yeah, okay. If you run, they will show you error. This is the line of the code. So is it here means line number 2 is error. You have to fix something wrong in line number 2. Not this one. The mistake is this one. There is a gap here in Python. Yeah, we are really strict. You look at number 1, there is no gap, so you have to make it similar like number 1. Yes. Oh, okay. Yeah, fix everything. Yes, yes. Okay, and then submit. Yes, okay, good. Number 5. Okay. Yeah, so this time you create by yourself. Yeah, you have to create this program. Yes, yes, yes. Run. Yeah, and then submit. Good. Continue. Number 6. Okay, yeah, this time a little bit challenge. Yeah, you read first the program, the question. Let me know if you don't understand. If you understand, you can just continue. And then,
Or
oh yeah, if you have this, so you
yes.
can change this, the outside become double quote.
Oh yeah.
Later, the inside you use single quote. Yes, and then you put the calculation, comma. Yeah, do you know what is the calculation here?
So it's 12 times this.
Yes. Yes, yes. If it's already correct, you can submit. Okay, great. Okay, continue. Okay, okay. So which one is the correct answer? Yeah, that can has this one. You can use calculator to solve this. Which one that has result 2000, 20,000 something? Yeah, feel free to use calculator.
That's this one. This one.
Are you sure? If you do like this, it means you'll multiply this one first and then later minus.
Oh, so this is one.
Yeah. Okay. Answer. Okay, good. Continue. Yeah, please read the question first and yeah, do you understand how to do it? So there will be a discount.
For percentage, for calculating the percentage, use
Yeah.
what?
Yeah, so you need to calculate a discount. So how to calculate discount here? There is a clue. They give you example how to calculate discount. Yeah. Click first. Yes, here. For example, there are 100 and then 10%. It will be 0.1 because
Oh,
10% is yeah 0.1, right?
yeah.
Yeah.
And then plus
Okay,
one.
based on that, you implement here.
And plus 100.
No, not plus 100, plus this number. Because the price is 100, right? That's why it's plus 100. For you, it's plus this one.
Okay.
Yes, okay, let's try. Okay, and then submit. Okay, cool. Next. Yeah, yeah, read the program for read the question and try to yeah, do the mathematical operation.
They all combined.
Let's see. Yes, yes, combine. So you 6 times.
Like this.
Yes, 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 continue. Another bracket. Yes, okay, continue first. 6 times. Yes, continue.
Yes.
Yes, yeah, continue. Yeah, continue. Yes, okay, try. Yeah, submit.
Then next.
Okay, good. Next. Yeah, please read because this question is a little bit tricky. And they also give you a clue how to solve. Uh, yeah, yeah, just use print. Yeah, you read again.
20 times 256.
So yeah, you try, you try. I will let you know if it's wrong.
Okay.
Oh, so yeah, 20 is correct, but how you can find a 20? I mean, can you do what is the mathematical operation? 5,000?
Person,
Yeah, what is the operator? We use this one, quotient. This
uh,
double slash. Yeah, and then divided by the 256. And then how to put the files. Yeah, don't forget a comma. Yes, yes. Okay, next, this one. And then how to know
yeah.
how many left? Okay, you can delete the
Um,
comma first. Okay, and then run the code first. Let's see the program. So how many file left?
19.
Okay, 19, yeah. So 19, and then how many the next is, can you check the question again? How many gigabyte left? Okay, if you have 19, so how many the gigabyte left? You have 19 files.
Yes.
Okay,
The
one
time.
file is 256. So how many gigabyte left? So it will be
Modulo.
5,000.
Modulo.
Yeah, 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 modulo, like this. And then 256 times 19. Yes, can you try?
Yeah.
Yes, can you? Yeah, yeah, yeah. Can you submit? Okay, good job. Okay. Wow. Okay, you answered almost all questions. Before we go to the next question, let's play one game. I put it on
Yeah.
Zoom chat. You can open and also share screen. This is a logic game. Have you played this before?
Yes.
Yes?
No, not this, but like the game like this, like
Oh,
the,
okay. So yeah, the task is you have to move everything here on the third one, and the position should be like this.
which one?
And you cannot place the largest onto the smaller, and you only have 7 move.
Uh,
So how you solve it? Yeah, you can click and then drag. Okay. Yeah, you cannot. Only the big one on the bottom. Okay. Yes. Yeah, you can put it there. And then, yeah, cannot, right?
yeah.
The big one should be in the bottom. You cannot swap. So yes. Mm.
Mm.
Yeah, if you're confused, yeah, feel free to restart. Maybe the beginning is wrong.
Mm.
Yeah. Mm-mm. Yeah, that's right. Seven move. Okay, we increase the difficulty at to four. Yeah, okay, try again.
Seems I do not play the game properly.
Yeah, it's okay, just try. Mm-mm. Yeah, if you struggle, you also can click this solve and see how they solve it. Yeah.
Yeah,
Okay.
I don't like puzzle games.
Okay. Okay. Yeah. So far, is it difficult?
You could see it.
Yeah. So yeah, actually, this game is quite good to train your logic. Yeah, why you need to train your logic? Because yeah, in coding, there are two skills that you need to improve. Either logic and also math. Okay. So yeah, you can practice more on that. Okay. Next, can you go to the exercise again? We have last exercise. Yeah, you go back. Yeah, the last star. Yes, there are two questions left. Okay, so here there is hours and minutes. We call this in programming variables. So similar like math and physics, you have something like variables. So here, hours equals to 5 and minutes equals to 3. They want you to change the program to become like this. But how can you know? You can run the program first. Is it already the same? Okay, you look at this and then compare to the question. Yeah, if it's already similar, you can submit. Okay, good. Next, number two. Okay, yeah, you read the question. Okay, so we have this text, we have this number, not text number. How to convert this number into this 11 and 2007? You're not typing it manual, you use a math operation, but yeah, how to parsing this 2007 and get number 11? Do you have any idea? Without coding, yeah, you can just explain to me. Do you have any idea how to do it?
Yes. Then put it in month.
Oh no. Either other solution without do it manually. That one is you do it manually, right? Is there any solution, other solution? Use
Oh,
math oper
so it's
or
math.
so yeah. So I will show you because yeah, this one is a little bit difficult. Yeah. So for the month, you can do like this. You use a modulo 100. It will give you automatically 2007. Maybe you can try. You delete this one. Yeah, yeah. Do you do something like this? Yes, yes. Can you try? Yeah, okay. Next, how to do the year because it's not finished yet. How to do the year? For the year, almost similar, but we use quotient. This one, double slash. Can you do? Yes, yes. Okay, can you try? Okay. And then can you submit? Okay, so yeah, we finished every exercise today. So what do you think so far? Is programming difficult?
It's just the math.
Yeah. So yeah, that's why I always tell my student, don't hate math because yeah, everything about math and logic. Okay, let's review what we had learned today. Okay, first, do you still remember what is algorithm?
It's a step of the
Step to, mm-mm.
step to make a program.
Yeah,
Step
yeah,
up.
step to make a program or step to achieve the goal. What is programming language?
It's a way to communicate or to
Yeah,
communicate for the computers.
yes, yes, yes. Is the way to communicate with the computers. What is program?
It's uh, a set of algorithms
Yeah, yeah. It's a set of algorithm that you put it in programming language and it becomes a program. What else? Yeah. What is print used for?
to display text.
Yes, yes, to display text. Okay. Okay. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Before we end the class, but I haven't. I forgot to ask you. Before you decide to learn coding, is it because of your parents or is it because of you yourself?
My parents,
Oh, okay, okay. Is there any reason why your parents want you to learn coding?
I guess, because they think I'm good at it. They think I'm good at it.
Oh, okay. They think you're good at it. Um, from what I see, you're not bad at it. Okay, but the homework is yeah, don't hate math. Yeah, if you
Yeah,
don't hate math, yeah, I think you will good at it. the reason why some people cannot do it, yeah, yeah, they just hate math, but yeah, in the reality, you will use it every day. Like, yeah, even if you go to uni, they will test your math. And then in the workplace, yeah, of course, you will not use math in the workplace, but still, yeah, it contains math a little bit. Yeah, okay. So far you already learned the basic of programming. So next week, we will learn more about it. Yeah. Do you have any other question?
No, none.
Okay, yeah. So yeah, if you don't have any other question, we will continue the class again next week at 1 p.m. Yeah, so far you did a great job. So yeah, see you next week. Bye bye.
Bye bye, Miss
Yeah.
Emma.